Hey guys, welcome to another video. Shane filling in for Lattydesire. So today we'll be going over the Distress 4 locks. So if you're new, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's go.
My business, doing what's right. I'm living happy. Yes, I'm alright. Taking chances. I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine. I'm living life.
So look at that beautiful head of natural hair. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. She's been growing that hair for so long, taking good care of it, and now look at it. Yes girl, flaunt it. Yeah, look at it. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's see what you got. Yeah, pose. Yeah, sure. She's so gorgeous with that natural head of hair. So let's get into the video now. So she starts with the oil that she created, and she starts to moisturize her hair from the front to back, all around, getting in that oil, getting in that moisture, and then she catches it all up in one. Now she starts combing it out, because of course you can't do hairstyle if your hair don't comb out properly, or else you're gonna run into problems. So she starts doing that, and then she plats from the root and twists all the way to the end. She does this for the remainder of the hair, and she keeps on doing that. So she starts with the plait, and I don't know how long she plait it for, but I know so she plait it and then she twists it all the way to the end. And look at that. Yeah, shake your locks natty. Yeah, Empress Naya Bingi. I don't know why I'm doing that, but okay. So anyway, yeah, let's get into it now. So now we have the passion twist, and this is what will be used to put in the fold, to create the faux locks effect. So look at it, take a good look. Let's go. Some colors are there. I think it's red, burgundy. There's a man colorblind and someone I know, but yeah, I think it's burgundy on the end of them. So she got like a style to the thing. So now she used the locking tool. I hope that's the correct name. And she inserts the hair in there, and she pull, and then she starts to twist, and basically that's all she does until the hair is complete. So pushing the locking tool, pulling the hair, and you twist, and you have fun twisting away. Yo, woman good still now, because boy, I want to have patience. Respect to all women out there, because I want to have patience to sit down under them hairstyle. Big up on yourself everywhere on there. Big up on yourself. Alright, so now we're doing that, and we're gonna play some background music.
Clothes for my back, shoes for my feet. Anytime me hungry, me got food for eat. Me no mad, me no sleep on the street. Me no dung in a the grave, me no wrap up in a sheet. Say be thankful every single day.
We keep it going, and yeah, we're making some progress here. So we're looking at to see how it looks. Look if it's coming out nice, and it looks like it is coming out very nicely. Wow, Lattydesire is doing such a good job. Look there. My girl has style her own ear. How much people can do that? I don't know, but she can. Alright, so she keeps going and she goes around. So I believe that how she starts is from the base of her head, and it comes all the way up to the top, to reach the top, the crown of her head, all the way up to the top, to the front. Yeah. So it's not really a hard size, very good once you have the patience and the determination to do it. Yeah, it's not very hard, so it looks really nice. And she keeps on going, and she keeps going, and she's twisting, and she's twisting. Play some background music.
Every day me rise to the Father, me pray. Be thankful every single night. Just there by my side, everything is alright. I'm hopeful, yeah, I'm hopeful, yeah.
And we're making some progress. We're almost finished. Well, not quite, but we're close to the end of it. Are we though? I don't know. Should be. Yeah. Because she should have the top of the hair. Oh my god. Yo, that look pretty. That bad. See there? That's the end result. And let's go now. Oh, yes girl, flaunt it. Beauty. black queen. Yes, girl. Yeah. All right. So guys, please don't forget, comment down below, like, and if you have not subscribed as yet, please do so now. Look at that beauty. Oh my gosh, guys. And if you do your own distress 4 locks, please send a video. Take care.